used to. Commonly, people may get confusion, have to use this used to, and probably you may misuse it. Let me make it clear, okay? Because we have two different uses of this used to. One is be plus used to, and the next one is used to. Let me say it first. How do you use this phrase used to? Which is very simple, to talk about a regular habit in past which is no longer true, okay? Let me read it again. To talk about regular habits in your past which is no longer true. Let me give you an example now. I used to go to church early in the morning, but now I am not going to church. Which means that was my regular habit in the past. Now I am not following that. In that kind of situations, you can use this English phrase used to. And what about this be plus used to, which is comparatively equal to usually, which means the regular habits, the regularity of something, maybe it is an object, animals or human being. Okay, to talk about the regularity of objects, animals and human being, let me give you an example. Monkeys are used to copy others. Monkeys are is a be form verb. Monkeys are used to copy others. Computers are used to do the calculations. Okay, it is the originality of that computer or monkeys. Okay, I have given two different examples actually. Okay, monkeys are used to copy others, are used to. Okay, or is a be form verb. Okay, so that I have mentioned here be plus used to. Monkeys are used to copy others. Computers are used to do the calculations. Computers are used to make the digital world. Okay, so this is what very simple. I hope that I made it clear. Let me meet you again with some other content. Thank you very